I chose to do electronic engineering. I looked at quite a few universities. The student team here and the professors here were so personable and so friendly, and the facilities here were so good that I decided to come to Southampton. We have very top of the end labs. They're big glass buildings that have recently been renovated. The equipment that's on offer is better than I've seen in industry, and they're accessed throughout the day. When you start electronics, there's the assumption that you don't know anything. Everyone starts from the same point. Once you've done the first 2 years of foundations and you've got an idea of which parts of electronics you're interested in, you can specialise a lot more in the third and the fourth year. So I'm interested in medical and biology, and so I've done a lot of medical-based modules. We've done engineering replacement body parts. Some of my friends who started with the same foundations as me have specialised in much different ways. I have a friend who's very into power electronics, and he does a lot of solar panels, green power, electric cars, that kind of thing. I've done a range of projects. We do quite small projects, and we also do very large projects in the degree. Smaller projects that we've done include some silly things really, like automated cat flaps and home smart meters. But as you go into the larger projects, like your master's project and your bachelor's project, then you can specialise what you're doing. So I've done cancer detection for skin moles. At the moment I'm doing brain-computer interfacing. The majority of the applications developed for that are keyboards for people who are paraplegic. You flash the keys at a different frequency and then they can type things out. And I was very interested in medicine and making a difference in the world, and by doing this I can potentially create a product that affects the lives of millions of people. We have a startup accelerator on campus called Future Worlds, and they encourage students to come to them at a Dragon's Den style setup and pitch ideas. Several students that I know have been successful in doing this and have started their own companies. I really like the outdoors, so we go to the New Forest and we go to the beach all the time for walks. We go surfing and paddleboarding. There's a lot to do. There's also a very good theatre scene in Southampton. It seems to be en route for a lot of the London shows. The Fantastic Mr. Fox came here, and that one went off and became ridiculously famous, and I went to see it for £5 and it was really good.